What's going on, guys? This is gonna be a weird video, but I'm out here in the snow. I don't think I could turn the camera on. Let me see. I'll get some footage later of the feet and the shoes. Show you guys my current situation, but I'm just out here walking, wanted to enjoy this snowy day. Just chilling. Let me show you guys what I'm dealing with. It's looking kind of, it's freezing out here. There you go. I had to switch up the camera. Let me hold you like this. Much better. Much better. Now I don't know where I'm walking. I'm just walking. I just wanted to say how good God is. I'm feeling pretty happy today, pretty good. One, we got off from work. I work at a school, so because of this snow, schools got canceled. Thank God. Hopefully this doesn't, bite us in the butt later on. And hold on, let me just skip. Jeez, I'm covered in snow. I'm doing this because I want to, not because I have to. Because I want to. Jesus. So I finally finished paying off a good portion of my student loans. I'm very happy about that. Hopefully my credit score shoots up. Fingers crossed. It's getting in my hair. Oh, almost just slipped right there. Let me show you my situation. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. So, Under Armour shoes, sneakers. Not meant for the snow at all. I'm chilling. Just walking. Hopefully I don't bust ass. Yo, you know what? I do live in the Northeast, so it'd be a good idea to invest in some boots for when it does snow. But the reason I haven't is because the reason I'm out here in the first place is because this is like the first real, well, we had one a couple days ago, but this is like the first real snowstorm. This much snow that Philly's had in, I'd say, years. And it used to be a normal occurrence, and now it just doesn't happen anymore. Global warming, people. Global warming. But just walking around enjoying the snow. Want to capture the moment, because who knows how many more of these we got left. Hopefully at least one more later this year. That'd be fire. Get schools canceled again sometime in February. Still continuing on the walk, guys, but as I was saying, I'm just feeling really happy, really blessed that I finally got to pay off the student loans, or not even loans, I guess what I owed the college, that I had to pay out my own pocket, not money that was, from a scholarship or loaned. Now I gotta do extra. Bro, there's zero salt out here on these streets. I'm just walking on wet snow. Isn't snow already wet? I'm just out here walking on mushy snow. There you go. Yeah, here we are. I almost just bust my cheeks. You chilling, baby. Me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm starting to get a headache. Honestly, I just wanted to talk about whatever. I should have thought of something and came out here, but I'm just out here with vibes, cold vibes. And now boogers, apparently. Hopefully they don't come down on the camera before I go inside, but and hermano. Chacho, hace un frío acá afuera. It's crazy. My back is starting to hurt from stepping on this uneven terrain. Ooh, I'm gonna fall out here. I know it. Fucking, it's gonna get caught on camera. Oh my god, I gotta watch where I'm going. Let me switch. Can I switch hands? This is how we record it now. I look like an idiot. There you go. Too much snow. Got that white stuff on my face. That's snow. Pause. No cap. This is starting to kill me, guys. I'm about to go inside. My forehead is freezing. I'm about to wrap up this vlog. I'm about to record, take a picture for a thumbnail. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. This was just a random video I wanted to put out. Anyway, thank you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. See you in the next one. Peace.